Hello students, welcome to Digital Classes. I'm Gavita working as SA Max at ZPHS Srirangavaram, Medchal, Malkajgiri district. Today we are discussing 6th class mathematics. From that we are discussing the topic fractions and decimals. This is our 4th session. In this session we are going to discuss addition of mixed fractions and subtraction of mixed fractions. Let's start the session. Addition of mixed fractions. 4 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. First, know the meaning of the mixed fraction 4 1 by 3. Observe that in 4 1 by 3, that means 4 wholes we have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one. For fifth one, divide the fifth one into 3 equal parts. Out of that, take one part. And these 4 parts we have to take completely. Okay. And after that, see the next one. 3 2 by 3 means 3 wholes we have to take. 3 wholes we have to take. And in case of fourth one, just divide that into 3 parts. Take 2 parts. Just like this, 2 parts we have to take. And dear students, observe that when adding these two mixed fractions, just first add the whole ones. How many wholes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3 here. Total 7 wholes. Then add the fraction parts. Okay. Are you following? So that means in first method, just we can add the whole parts. 4 1 by 3 means 4 plus 1 by 3. In second, 3 plus 2 by 3. First add these whole parts, that is 4 plus 3, and add the fraction parts 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Know that this is like fraction, so just add 1 plus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 7 plus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. We get 1. So 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. Like this, we can add the given mixed fraction. This is one method. We can add this in another method also by converting the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just see that. We know that 4 1 by 3 means 4 wholes we have to divide into 3. That means we get 4 into 3 parts. 4 3s are 12. Plus from here we have to take one part. 4 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Same denominator we will get here. Plus second one also. 3 wholes we have to divide into 3. So 3 into 3 plus the numerator 2 by 3. Observe that 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3 here. Plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 here. So these two are like fractions. Just we can write 13 plus 11 by 3, which is equal to 24 by 3. Okay. So now once again convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. We know that 24 divided with 3. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 0 is remainder. That means no parts left. 8 is the whole number. So 8 whole parts we will get. Like this, we can add the given mixed fractions. Observe the next one. Addition of 2 2 by 5 and 3 1 by 3. Same as earlier, this can be written as 2 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 plus 1 by 3. First add the wholes. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Now add this 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. We know that 5, 3 denominators are different. These are unlike fractions. So just take the LCM. LCM is 5 into 3. That is nothing but 15. Okay. So convert each denominator into 15. So we get 5 plus 2 by 5. To get 15 we have to multiply with 3. So 2 also multiplied with 3 plus 1 by 3. To get 15 we have to multiply with 5. 1 also multiplied with 5, which is equal to 5 plus 2 3s are 6 by 5 3s are 15 plus 1 5s are 5 by 3 5s are 15, which is equal to 5 plus, this is nothing but 6 plus 5 by 15, because both denominators are 15. So easily we can get 5 plus 11 by 15. So 5 plus 11 by 15, that is nothing but 511 by 15 is the answer. So 511 by 15 is the answer. Like we get the mixed fraction directly. And we know that we can convert into improper fractions also. We can add the given mixed fractions. Let's see that model. 2 by 5 means 2 wholes we have to divide into 5. So we get 2 5s are 10, plus from here we have to take 2 parts by the same denominator 5. Plus here also 3 wholes divided into 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. We know that these two are different denominators. So just we know that 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So multiply with 12 by 5. When multiplied with 3, we get 15. First one. Just this. And for second one, 10 by 3 multiplied with 5. Okay. So first one becomes 36 by 15 plus 50 by 15. So both denominators are same. So same 15 we get. So 36 plus 50. That is nothing but 86 by 15. Now convert it into mixed fraction. To convert mixed fraction, 86 divided with 15. 15 5s are 75. By subtracting we get 11. So 11 pieces. That means the whole is 5 and 11 pieces out of 15. That is 15 11 by 5 is the answer. Like this we can do the addition of mixed fractions. Two methods are there. First, directly add the wholes and fractions. Second method, just convert into improper fractions and then add them. Okay. Now try to do this problem. 2 by 8 plus 3 1 by 6. Subtraction of mixed fraction. In case of subtraction of mixed fractions also, we can follow the same concept, that is we can convert into improper fractions and then we subtract them. Just see here, 4 1 by 3 means 4 into 3 parts plus 1 by 3. First convert given mixed fraction into improper fraction, minus 3 2 by 3 means 3 wholes into 3 parts. 3 3s are 9, plus from here we have to take 2. 2 by 3. See here, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 by 3. 3 3. Denominators are same. So we get 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 is nothing but 2. So we get 2 by 3. Like this, we can subtract the given mixed fraction in one method. In second method, observe that 4 1 by 3. That means 4 plus 1 by 3. We have to subtract 3 2 by 3. That means 3 parts, 3 wholes we have to subtract, and also 2 by 3 part. 3 plus 2 by 3 total we have to subtract from this. Now observe that 4 minus 3, out of 4 wholes, subtract 4 wholes, subtract 3, and also plus out of 1 by 3 subtract minus 2 by 3. Now if you observe that 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. That means here we have 1 part. If you observe that 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3, that means out of here 1 minus 2 by 3, like fractions are there. So in case of like fractions, we can write like this, 1 minus 2 by 3. And observe that 1 plus 1 minus 2. In case of integers, we know that 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 by 3. So observe that 1 whole plus into minus 1 by 3 part. From 1 whole, we have to subtract 1 by 3 part. 1 whole can be written as 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3 subtract. So then we get 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So students, it is better to convert the given mixed fractions into improper and subtract them, or otherwise you can follow this concept also, but don't confuse here pluses and minuses. Okay, so how much we are subtracting from which whole, you have to observe that. Okay, so now see the subtraction of one another mixed fraction. Just I am following the improper model. That means convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So observe that this can be written as 2 into 5 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 1 by 3. That means 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 minus 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Now these two are improper, these two are unlike fractions. We know that. First convert into like fractions. So 12 into 3 by 5 into 3 minus 4 into 5 by 3 into 5, which is nothing but 36 by 15 minus 20 by 15. So we get 36 minus 20, that is 16 by 15. So divide that, we get 15 ones are 15, 1 whole. 15 ones are 15, after that we get 1 part. So 1 by 15. So 1 by 15 is the answer. See here, Narendra painted 2 by 3 area of the wall in his room. His brother Ritesh helped and painted 1 by 3 area of the wall. How much did they paint together? Together means just we have to add the portions given painted by the Narendra and Ritesh. Okay, so just follow the steps. Narendra painted area is nothing but 2 by 3. Similarly, Ritesh. Ritesh also painted some area. So, Ritesh painted area is equal to 1 by 3. So, they are asking how much did they painted together. Together means by combining how much they painted. So, that means we have to add them. So, total painted area total painted area is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. We know that it can be written as 2 plus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 3. 3 will get cancelled, we get 1 whole. That means the total wall is painted here. When we get 1, that means 1 whole. That means the total wall painted here. Like this, we have to write the steps and we have to add the given one, because together means we have to add them. See here, Neha was given 5 by 7 of basket of bananas. What fraction of bananas was left in the basket? Observe that basket, from the basket, there are in basket there are some bananas. From the bananas, 5 by 7 part is given. 5 by 7 of a basket is given. Now observe that if this is the basket, total basket, just one whole thing here. One basket means one whole thing. So we have to consider the whole basket as 1. And out of this, 5 by 7 part is given, bananas given to Neha. That means 5 by 7 part of this basket we have to subtract. So 1 whole, from this whole basket we have to subtract 5 by 7. That is nothing but 1 minus 5 by 7. We know that 1 is nothing but 1 whole. 5 by 7 means out of 7 parts select 5. So here also divide this whole into 7 parts. That means 7 by 7 we get. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Are you following? One part when divided in one whole, when divided into 7 parts, and total 7 parts if we take, we get the basket. So 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7, that is 7 minus 5 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7. Like this we have to subtract. A piece of rod 7 by 8 meter long is broken into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Observe that here the total rod length is 7 by 8. This rod broken into 2 pieces. That means like this, 2 pieces broken. This portion is 1 by 4 long. And now we have to find out the length of this one. So from total length, observe that from this total length, if you cut this, you will get this length. That means cutting means subtraction. Just 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 if you do, you will get the answer. Write the step neatly and do the problems. Observe that Renu takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk around the school ground. Snigdha takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Observe that here they given the time taken to walk around the school ground in minutes. And in case of Renu, they given in 1 by 5 minutes. That means it is mixed fraction. In case of Snigdha, they given 7 by 4. That means this is improper fraction. Now we have to find out who takes less time. That means we have to compare these two. Dear students, observe that we can't compare a mixed fraction and improper fraction. To compare them, so convert this mixed fraction into improper and after that compare these two. Okay, so first convert 1 by 5 into mixed fraction. We know how to convert 2 into 5. That means 2 wholes 5 into 5 parts plus 1 by 5. That means 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. Okay, and observe that Snigdha, this is Renu time. Renu taken time. and Snigdha's time is 7 by 4. This is Snigdha. Snigdha taken time. And now observe that 11 by 5 and 7 by 4 both are unlike fractions. To compare them, first convert them into convert them into like fractions, then after that compare them. So observe that 11 by 5, this is Renu time, and this is 7 by 4. 5 and 4, we know that 5 4 have no common factor, so LCM becomes 5 into 4, that is 20. So when there is 5, here you have to multiply with 4. Okay, so this is Renu time. And now Snigdha time. Observe that Snigdha time, it is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 we have to multiply with 5. Okay, so observe that 11 fours are 44 by 20. So Renu taken 44 by 20 minutes, and Snigdha 7 5s are 35 by 4 5s are 20. That means Snigdha taken 35 by 20 minutes. Now these two are like fractions. We know that 35 by 20 is smaller than 44 by 20. So who take less time? Snigdha taken less time, like this. Now, and they are also asking what fraction, who takes less time and by what fraction. That means just subtract these two, then you will get what fraction they are less. Okay, now this is the fourth session. Dear students, please try to solve the exercise problems. Okay.